at this view. Come on. You remember what I said about group rides a couple months ago? Well, just throw it all out the window, okay? Today's video, I'm gonna talk all about it and enjoy this ridiculous scenery. This is the downtown Clearwater going into Clearwater Beach. My favorite bridge ever. You're not gonna find a better view. I've shared my opinion before. First of all, let me know what you think about group rides. Very important. Put it in the comments below before we start. If we haven't met, hello. I'm Brandon Hart. I've got a passion for motorcycles. I love riding all the time, all year long. I live in Clearwater, Florida, so I consider myself lucky there. I did a lot of group rides when I first moved here to meet some people, and I thought they were really good for that. The local Harley dealer, First Barracuda, and they still have group rides to this day. They were fun, but then I started to change my mind a little bit, and I saw a couple accidents, minor, right? Somebody kind of dropped their bike and a few new rider mistakes here and there. And I thought to myself, you know what? I'm done. I'm done with these group rides. I'm done. Heck, I even made a video on it. No more group rides. Well, forget about it. I am a hypocrite. We're kind of in the lull season. Aside from Sturgis coming up in August, there aren't many motorcycle events. We have a Vicla rally here next weekend on Saturday, which should be a lot of fun. I'm going to be there. But, you know, there aren't many motorcycle events. I don't know if it's because it's really hot, but the next one locally is St. Pete Bike Fest or Biketoberfest. I can't remember which one. One of the two. I'll be at both of them. But they're not till October. October. It's July. I want to look at some motorcycles. We got a couple bike nights and stuff like that, but they get kind of stale. You know, you see a lot of the same people, same bikes. There's only so many times you can go to a bike night in the same place. You know, I love looking at the bikes. I love meeting the people there. But also missing a critical piece. Like, as much as I like looking at bikes, I like riding even more. And so I started thinking, I'm like, okay, well, there's a gap in events right now. I really like riding, but I also want to meet new people, and I want to check out some cool motorcycles. The writing's on the wall, okay? And that's why I got this announcement. I do. I'm going to cut right to it right now. Let's do it.
We've got some pretty exciting news today, especially for those of you who live in the state of Florida, Pinellas County, St. Petersburg, Clearwater, Tampa, Newport Richey, Bradenton, Brandon. We officially just launched the Cruise the Coast ride series, with the first ride scheduled for July 27th. I know it's this upcoming weekend, but it's going to be monthly. So if you can't make this one, don't worry. It's a chill ride. Come on out. I'm trying to get a photographer lined up for that first one. Maybe we can get some good ride photos. I'm going to put the link up for the Facebook group page. My plan is to make this a Sunday ride, monthly. Won't be on the same Sunday every month. But for now, we're going to start on the 27th. And then I'll let everyone know what the next rides are, all the routes and that good stuff.
I'm really excited about it. Again, that Facebook group, it's going to end up being so much more than just a monthly ride. I'll give you a perfect example. Daytona Biketoberfest coming up in October. We could use that group to organize the entire ride out there. So it's not just the regular rides. We're going to have some special events. So this weekend is the inaugural ride, and I'm nailing down a photographer because I want everybody to get some cool shots riding, or just your bikes in general. Look at this beach. Clearwater Beach. It's touristy and it's crowded, but you can't beat those views. If you're interested in going, please go on to that group. At least put interested on the event if you're interested. Because I'd like to get a feel for how many people are going to be there. Right? If it's just a small group, hey, that's totally fine. I'm okay with it. I have no idea what to expect for the first one. But I'm excited. And this goes back to meeting people. I can't be the only one out there that likes riding and also like meeting people. So if you live close by, it's a really good way to meet people. Now for the first ride, I'm probably going to have Big Perf with me, my Dukes here, because the Street Glide is in surgery. I blew a head gasket a couple weeks ago, and I'm just waiting on the head bolts to arrive, because when you pull all that stuff out, you can't reuse the stock head bolts. They're compromised. It won't be the same strength as when they installed it. So I had to order new bolts. I got a rocker box gasket, everything I need. We're gonna torque it down the right way. Whenever that comes in, I'm gonna be able to start working on it. This is the main part of the beach. Everybody comes out here to look at the sunset. It's just the best. The best. And no, I don't know this gentleman in front of me with the bike. Check out that sunset. It's crazy. Man, those squatted trucks are pretty popular here. I wonder what it's like driving those things. They're basically pointed at the sky. Clearwater Pass. Check this out. Come over here. Oof, look at that sunset. Look at that sunset. You ain't gonna get a better one. Let's pull over and check it out. That's the sunset. Clearwater Pass. I would really appreciate it if you would come out and support the new group ride series. Even if you can't make the first couple, just join the group, say in and know. We'll have some longer rides coming up, and you know, I'd like to get involved with a couple charities and sponsors to make it more exciting. And hey, maybe we can get some venues in the future. I appreciate you. If you do ride, remember, always keep that rubber side down, the rubber side. And if you don't ride, well, what the heck are you waiting for? Get yours on a motorcycle. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.